Welcome to Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 101. Ketu in 10th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. 10th house of a birth chart is known as Karma Bhav. It is about our actions and duties. It is about our performance while dealing with people other than family. 10th house is 7th from 4th house. 4th house of your birth chart is about your life at home. It is your comfort zone, and 10th house is the place away from home and family where you have to deal with unknown people. It is like a battlefield where you have to show your skills and talent, and many times have to face unpredictable situations. 10th house is about your professional life, career, position, status, authority, reputation you earn while dealing with people at professional level or social level. 10th house is also about the social life of the person. In Vedic astrology, Ketu is a malefic planet. Like Rahu, it is also a non-existential planet. Rahu is the head of the serpent, also known as North Node, and Ketu is its headless body, known as South Node. It is a shadow planet with no identity of its own. It is mysterious and eventful. Placement of Ketu in a horoscope plays a very decisive role in deciding the future events in the life of the person. In Vedic astrology, Ketu represents secrets, mystery, spirituality, moksha, detachment from materialism, isolation, confusion, rumors, conspiracy, corruption, magic, inventions, research, spies, foreign language, computer language, medical and related professions. It also represents germs, bacteria, skin diseases, fever, colorful birds, dogs. In 10th house, Ketu causes ambiguity, confusion, indecisiveness. As a result, person finds it difficult to choose the right profession. People around him also create confusion and misguide him. Many times, it may be possible that person receives formal education or training in a particular subject or area, but opts for profession in entirely new field. Person may keep changing his profession multiple times before making a final choice, and there will be hardly any similarity between the new profession and the previous one. This may lead to financial insecurity. Person finds it difficult to stick to one profession for a long time. These people can be misguided very easily. Being under the influence of headless Ketu, they are not efficient in differentiating between good and bad, right or wrong. They may get involved with wrong people and put themselves in trouble, suffer losses in professional and social life. Company of unscrupulous elements can also tarnish their image and put them in legal troubles. Ketu stands for moksha and spirituality. When it is in 10th house, house of materialistic achievements, it starts working for professional success and materialistic gains. Since these two things are totally opposites, the person gets confused, becomes restless. These people lack mental peace. They are always dissatisfied with what they have achieved. Ketu is for isolation. The person does not mix up with others. There is always very less communication from their side. Ketu keeps them away from father. Relations with father may not be good. The person may get professional success at a place away from father. In 10th house, Ketu cannot decide about the profession of the person, but it has the capability to give a positive or negative turn to the professional and social life of the person. Depending on the placement of other planets in the horoscope, the person might opt for business, government job or private job. Unintentionally, these people opt for professions in which they have to work away from public eye. The person may be scientist, researcher, software engineer, spy, detective, forensic expert, maybe in medical or pharma industry, IT industry, behind the scene, workers in film and TV industry like director, cameraman, costume designer, etc., alternate healing, space scientist, any field. From 10th house, Ketu aspects 4th house. House seen for worldly comforts, family, family life, nourishment, mother. Person may have access to worldly comforts but may not get time to enjoy them. Person may not be very close to family. Most of the time, these people may be away from family due to work. Person may not enjoy the company of mother. From 10th house, Ketu aspects 2nd house. House seen for speech, childhood family and wealth. Speaks less, loves to lead secluded life. Person may not have very healthy food habits, may indulge in smoking or drinking. From 10th house, Ketu aspects 6th house. House seen for enemies, competition, litigation and diseases. Since these people are not very communicative, they are often misunderstood in professional and social circle. As a result, they may have people around them who don't like them. And if they are not capable of keeping secrets, they may have many enemies and a number of court cases against them. If Ketu is placed in a positive position in 10th house, person will be blessed with a good career, status, fame, reputation and good finances. If along with Ketu, 8th house and 8th lord are under positive influence and there is relation between 8th house and 10th house, person may expect sudden changes in job leading to sudden growth and profit. If 10th house, Mars and 6th house are related, person may hold high position in secret services or armed forces. If Saturn, the significator of profession and Karka of 10th house, is in a favorable position in the birth chart, the person may be blessed with good career growth and opportunities to rise in life. If Ketu is afflicted in 10th house, person may not have a stable professional life, has a flickering personality, may indulge in wrong practices, has a tendency to harm others, easily influenced by others, lacks the capability to keep secrets. As a result, they might share secrets or leak sensitive information of the organization they are working with, which may lead to serious consequences. This may put their job in trouble and their financial condition may not be stable. Person with Ketu in 10th house should try to be wise in choosing friends and companions, refrain from indulgence and maintain a healthy lifestyle for physical and mental well-being. Afflicted Ketu in 10th house can make the person mentally unstable, cause depression, may cause physical ailments related to ears, skin, intestines, lower abdomen, pain in body. Ketu is responsible for health problems which are difficult to diagnose. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic Astrology Classes, Session 102.